Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So now today let's start exercise 5.2 of chapter 5. So before start this exercise, let us know about transversal and angle made by transversal line, and also know about intersecting line. What is intersecting line?
Let's study about the pairs of lines. The lines could be related to each other in the form of parallel lines or intersecting lines. Here are some examples. Now, we will learn about the following concepts under the study of pairs of lines. Intersecting lines. Observe the alphabet A. Here, line L and line M intersect each other at point P. Lines L and N intersect each other at point Q, and lines M and N intersect at point R. Thus, lines that have one and only one point in common are known as intersecting lines. If the lines do not intersect each other at any point, then the lines are called parallel lines. Let us know more about the parallel lines in the following animation.
Dear students, let us study about parallel lines and see some daily life examples of parallel lines. Two lines which are in the same plane are called parallel if they never meet each other, however far they are extended. Let us see some examples of parallel lines from our daily life. Farming. Here we can see that the trees are planted in parallel lines. We can see some parallel lines on the field here. On this wheat farm, we can see or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Here, two parallel lines M and N are cut by a transversal T. Angles made by transversal. When any two lines are intersected by a transversal, then 8 angles are formed. Interior angle. If lines L and M are intersected by a transversal T, then angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are all interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Two angles that lie between the two lines on the opposite sides of the transversal and have different vertices are called alternate interior angles. These are two pairs of alternate interior angles. First pair is angle 1 and angle 4, and the second pair is angle 2 and angle 3. Alternate exterior angles. These are two pairs of alternate exterior angle. First pair is angle 1 and angle 8, and the second pair is angle 2 and angle 7. Corresponding angles have different vertices, are on the same side of the transversal, and have corresponding position, left or right, above or below.
In the figure shown, L and M are two parallel lines cut by the transversal T. Angles 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7 and angle 4 and 8 are corresponding angles.
Co-interior angles. Here we have two pairs of co-interior angles. First pair is angle 1 and angle 2, and the second pair is angle 3 and angle 4. Transversal of parallel lines. Here, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, and angle 4 is equal to angle 8.
Let's work out an example. If R is parallel to S, can we find out the measures of the missing angles in the given figure? Yes, we can, as they are corresponding angles to the given angles. Therefore, by the property of corresponding angles, their measures are 135 degrees and 45 degrees.
If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Here, angle 3 and angle 6 are equal. Also, angle 4 and angle 5 are equal.
Observe the given figure. Line N is parallel to line M. Find the measure of the missing angle. Here, the given angle and the missing angle are alternate interior angles. Therefore, they are equal in measure.
If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of exterior angles are equal, that is, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Also, angle 3 and angle 4 are equal.
Let us find the correct answer for the given question. In the given figure, measure of the missing angle is A. 70 degrees, B. 85 degrees, C. 90 degrees, D. 100 degrees.
Interior angles on the same side of a transversal. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That is, sum of angle 1 and angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, and sum of angle 2 and angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees.
First of exercise 5.2. So question number first is state the property that is used in the each of the following statements. So you have to state the properties. So question number first of question number 1 is if A parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So here we have to show that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So is this possible? Because line A and B, because line, and we all know that in corresponding angles of transversal line are equal. So angle x is equal to angle 100 degree. So you have to write down angle x is equal to 100 degree because these two angles are corresponding angle. So this is the question number 2 of question number 5. Let's do question number 6 of this exercise. So question number first of question number 6 is, in the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M. So you have to find out that L is parallel to M or no. So here two interior angles of same sides are given, and we all know that if the sum of two interior angles is equal to 180 degrees, so that means the line L and M is parallel. So first we find out the sum of these two interior angles. So 126 degree plus 44 degree is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 2 plus 4 6 7 170 degree. So sum of these two interior angle is 170 degree. So these two lines L, so you have to write down L is not of these two interior angle is 170 degree is not equal to